Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to solve mathematical questions. I have already uploaded series of questions of ratio, proportion, odd one out, coding and decoding, blood relation topics on our YouTube channel. Check playlist of such topics and provide support to me. Let's start today's class. सो ओडोमीटर इज टू माइलेज एज कंपास इज टू, तो हमें बताना है कि ओडोमीटर जो है वो माइलेज को मेज़र करता है, तो कंपास किसको मेज़र करती है? स्पीड को, हाइकिंग को, नीडल को या फिर डायरेक्शन को? तो हम सभी को पता है कि कंपास इज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज टू डिटरमाइन द डायरेक्शन. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट. Next question, marathon is to race as hibernation is to. So we know that marathon is a long race and hibernation means lengthy period of sleep. So option number D is correct. Next question, window is to pane as book is to. Clear? The window is made up of panes. We know that. And book is made up of pages. Clear? So option number D is correct. Next question, cup is to coffee as bowl is to. तो cup is used for coffee. Clear? तो बाउल हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? बाउल इज यूज्ड आइदर फॉर टेकिंग फूड और सूप. क्लियर? बट फूड जो है कैन बी टेकन इन प्लेट ऑल्सो. क्लियर? सो सूप इज द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट आंसर. सो बी इज करेक्ट आंसर. Next question, yard is to inch as cart is to. Clear? So yard is a larger measure than an inch because one yard equals to 36 inches. Clear? So हमें कोई ऐसी measure find out करनी है from the given options which is smaller than cart. Clear? So gallon is incorrect because it is a larger than cart. Clear? And C and D options, that is milk and liquid, both are not units of measurement. So ounce is the right answer because cart is a larger measure than ounces because one cart is equals to 32 ounces. So option number B is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इलेटेड इज टू डिस्पोंडेंट एज इनलाइटेंड इज टू. सो इलेटेड जो है वो ऑपोजिट है डिस्पोंडेंट का. सो एनलाइटेंड किसका ऑपोजिट होगा? इग्नोरेंट का. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑप्टिमिस्ट इज टू चीयरफुल एज पेसिमिस्ट इज टू. As we know that optimist is a person whose outlook is cheerful. तो optimist ऐसा person होता है जो cheerful होता है, और pessimist कैसा person होता है? Pessimist is a person whose outlook is gloomy. So option number A is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रिप्टाइल इज टू लीजर्ड एज फ्लावर इज टू. तो हम सभी को पता है कि लीजर्ड क्या है? रेप्टाइल. तो फ्लावर कौन सा होगा इन सभी ऑप्शंस में से? तो फ्लावर कौन सा होगा? डेजी, बिकॉज डेजी इज अ टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. ए एंड बी ऑप्शंस आर नॉट करेक्ट बिकॉज बोथ आर द पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट, नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर. ओके, एंड डी इज ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. Next question, play is to actor as concert is to. So as we know that actor performs in a play. Okay, so concert में कौन play करता है, कौन perform करता है? Musician. So B is correct answer. Next question, sponge is to porous as rubber is to. As we know that sponge is a porous material and rubber is made up of which type of material? Is rubber massive? Not. Is it solid? Not. Is it inflexible? Not. It is elastic material. So rubber is made up of elastic material. So option number C is correct. So guys, we have completed some important questions of analogy topic of mathematical reasoning which are very important for your competitive exams. If you like our video content, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and provide supports to me. Thank you very much.